LiveLean Nation, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog.
Hi guys.
We have a great vlog today, action-packed, lots of workout clips. Say what's up, Cody.
Yeah, we're gonna show you a 4-minute Tabata with Coach Brad.
Yeah, so I'll put a timestamp right here if you want to go right directly to that. But Jessica also has a workout for pull-ups.
I'm taking you into the garage to do one of my brand new pull-up babe sessions with me.
And here's Kyla.
Hi, babe.
What's up, girl?
Okay.
So let's get into the vlog, guys. Enjoy. Make sure you click that like button as well and comment below if you're enjoying these vlogs and what you want to see on future ones.
I am going to bring you in on one of my pull-up babe workouts that I'm doing today from my newest program. So today I'm going to take you through one that is a pull workout. So I have 3 different types of workouts in the program. There's pull, there's back, and there's core. Because you need a strong back and a strong core to be able to do pull-ups, but then you also need to practice pulling motions. So today's workout is going to be one of those pulling workouts. This won't be a follow along workout, but I just want to show you some pieces of it and go over some talking points of the important notes so you can get the best results out of this program. Okay, you ready? Inside the program, there's actually a follow along video to do the warm up with me rep by rep. So we do our jumping jacks together, and then I take you through 3 seconds per side of these door frame side stretches. It feels so good to just stretch out the lats and really open up any tightness and stiffness and get you ready for the workout. I also recommend you do 1 set of every exercise in the workout of the day before you actually do your working sets to really make sure that your muscles are fully warmed up and ready to get the maximum benefit out of the workout. Okay, so there are 2 different sets of loop resistance bands that you need to follow this program. I share the 2 brands that I like in the program, so if you're interested to get these, pick up the program and then it's clickable to purchase these, and they are affordable, so that's good. My first exercise in this workout today is gonna use one of the mini bands, so I'll show you what it looks like. This is a kneeling loop band pull down, and if you've never done it, don't worry because I'm gonna teach you exactly how inside the program. There's clickable demo videos to teach you every move. I always encourage you to be your own trainer and up the intensity when and where possible. So for my 2nd and 3rd set, I'm gonna increase to the heavy band. Next, I'm doing an exercise called scap ups to work on scapular engagement. Say hi to my #1 fan. He loves watching my workouts. I designed these to be really time efficient and home friendly, so anyone could do them anywhere with just a few pieces of key equipment like a bar and some bands. Here I'm doing the jump up negatives, which is my favorite exercise that I've used along my journey to pull-ups. Thanks for coming along my pull-up workout today. I hope you enjoyed seeing that and it inspires you that you can achieve your first pull-up. More information about grabbing this program is in the description box below. If you have any questions about this program or about any of the exercises you saw today, drop them in the comment section there below and I'll be here to answer them.
So guys, one of the questions we always get when it comes to food is I need ideas for quick, healthy snacks that I can take with me on the road that are high in protein, that are healthy for you. So I put together this little quick cooking video for you. And if you want to know all the nutrition facts, the ingredients and everything, you can go check it out on the blog. We'll link that up down below as well. Alright guys, got another Tabata workout here for you. This is going to be follow along, so basically hit play, train with me, all body weight, no equipment on this one. Let's go. All right guys, that right there was your 4-minute Tabata workout. Make sure you're giving it max energy, effort when you're doing it. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. And I always say, guys, that's what I like to do after my strength training workout. Now, a quick little story here. I actually went to the gym today and basically lasted, I'd say 20 minutes. You know why? Because I just finished a workout program, one of my programs that I'm on right now, yesterday. And I walked in there today with no program to follow. And so my motivation was just down there. I'm like, why am I here? I don't have a plan to follow. So I actually ended up driving down the street, coming out to this field here because I wanted to get in a Tabata workout and share with you guys. So that's, you know, even for somebody me who's as focused and motivated as I am, if I don't have a program to follow or I don't have a workout video to film for you guys, my motivation can be low as well. So if you're lacking in motivation, guys, get on a program. So go take the Live Lean Body Quiz. If you haven't yet, go to liveleantv.com/quiz. Takes you through 4 simple questions to find the best program for you. Guys, if you're not on a program, get on a program. I have to repeat that a million times. Yo, I am in like a funk today where I don't want to work out.
Get on funky, bro.
Get on funky. If you guys are gonna miss your workout, think about those 3 words. Get on
funky.
2 words. Sometimes you just need a little motivation. Baby, just hook me up with.
You need your wife to kick you out the door. Get your ass to the gym.
Oh no! Don't make me go! Alright, I'm in the car, drinking a pre-workout, and listening to my Canadian homie, Shawn Mendes. Let's go!
Daddy, got him!
And now it's time to party!
Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I can't wait to see you getting stronger, rocking them sexy pull-ups. All right, I'll see you at the next episode. Say boy and keep living lean.
Como tú vives, te cuento que tú eres un